Did you know that cracking your knuckles doesn't actually cause arthritis? It's a common myth, but studies have shown no link between the two. When you crack your knuckles, you're just releasing gas bubbles from the fluid in your joints, which creates that popping sound. While it might annoy others around you, it's generally harmless. So next time you feel the urge, go ahead and crack your knuckles. Check the description for more details and be sure to follow and subscribe for more weird and wonderful health facts.